Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is not only to motivate you but help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. In previous series of videos, we are trying to understand how different systems of our body come together, collaborate with each other and creates beautiful movements that we can flawlessly do and makes our life very simple. And among all of these systems, one very important system that we should definitely talk about is our vestibular system. What is this vestibular system? How does it function? And what will happen if the system starts getting affected due to some pathology? We are going to discuss that in today's video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. So friends, when do you stand still? When you walk, when you talk to people, when you move around, there is a sense of balance that's always there, isn't it? How do you think that sense of balance is coming? This all happens due to one very important system in our body which is called as vestibular system. Vestibular organs are organs that's present inside your ear and are responsible for your balance sense. This is a sensory system. So you remember we spoke about sensory system few videos back where we spoke about how different systems in our body, sensory organs in our body sends important information and feedback to our brain so that brain can process. Yes, among that sensory system, one very important sensory organ is your vestibular organ. Your vestibular sensory system creates a sense of balance, spatial orientation, which means your alignment with the surroundings. It helps you to let you know what's your head position, and also it helps you to let know how you move or else in what direction you are moving. But do you know where is this system lying? Yes, your vestibular system lies in your inner side of the ear. And it has got three major components or parts. Number one part is vestibular labyrinth. The second part is ampulla. And the third part is otolith organ. This organ consists of a fluid which is called as endolymph. This movement of the fluid helps the body to determine in what direction the movement is happening and how these movements are happening. Even your speed, your acceleration of the movement is also being sensed and processed by these organs. What exactly happens is the fine hairs that are present inside our ear gets in connection with this endolymph and it stimulates and cause the understanding or appreciation of this movement. This will send signals to the brain. Brain will then process this information and make sense out of it. Or else the brain will basically do the decoding part. So that's what is the function of your vestibular system. Now imagine that if your vestibular system stops functioning, or else there is some damage in this vestibular system, what will happen? This will eventually lead to disruption of your sense of balance. And that's why people who suffer from conditions like vertigo or any kind of vestibular disorder have a lot of challenges in terms of balancing. They feel spinning, they feel lack of balance, they also feel sometimes nausea. Some of the common dysfunctions that happen due to vestibular disorder are BPPV, which is benign positional paroxysmal vertigo. Along with that, conditions like vestibular neuritis or inflammation, acoustic neuroma, Meniere's disease are some of the common conditions where there is damage or problem with your vestibular system. This will eventually lead to symptoms like nausea, sometimes vomiting, lack of balance, spinning, giddiness, or even headaches and some ringing sound in the ear. All of this condition requires long-term work with the help of medical management and physiotherapy rehabilitation. So if you who are someone who is suffering from all of these challenges, that what you need to do is number one, seek medical help. Yes, don't ignore your symptoms. Better to see a doctor, a ENT surgeon, a neurologist, or even a physiotherapist who would be able to identify your problem and help you to work towards it. Second thing, start working on them. Now, the problem is with the habituation or adaptation. Your body is going through a faulty mechanism. This requires work. So you need to take your medications on time, and along with that, you need to do some activities, some exercises that helps your body to adapt to the changes that the body is going through and even correcting certain problems. For this, you need a long-term rehabilitation process. That's why it is ideal to see a physiotherapist and work towards your rehabilitation. At HealthQ Rehab, we have come up with something called as vestibular rehabilitation program. This program basically focuses on working towards all the conditions where your vestibular system is affected or impacted. This program is online as well as available offline at our center, which is in Bangalore, Sarjapur Road. If you want to know further, you can reach out to us. Our contact details are mentioned in the description box below. In coming days, we would be sharing more information about how you can improve your movements, how you can move better, and get out of all the symptoms, movement related challenges that you are experiencing. So, for all of that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you can get notified every single time we upload a new video. On that note, I'll end this video here and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.